is a USA Update with Steve Bell.
Good evening. The first American forces are in Saudi Arabia tonight. The Pentagon says U.S. warships also are in position to block Iraqi shipping routes. President Bush says the U.S. troops have been deployed to defend Saudi Arabia, but the president says we are not in a war. And in sports, Pete Rose reported to a federal work camp in Marion, Illinois today. He's serving a 5-month sentence for tax evasion.
I find that when people meet me in the aisle at the grocery store or at the gas station, they'll say, "Did I really hear what I thought I heard this morning? Did it really happen? Governments toppling, democracy and freedom literally exploding all over the world. And all of a sudden, freedom takes on a whole new meaning."
For USA Update, I'm Steve Bell.
You're watching USA, America's favorite cable network.
Unlike any restaurant, unlike any club, unlike anything you've ever experienced. The star of Louisville, the craft of fine dining and entertainment.
A brand new lawnmower should be safe, right? Well, you tell that to my little girl. The blade flew off and her poor little leg is going to be scarred for life. And those screams, I'll never forget them. The people who made that thing owe her something.
If an unsafe product injures you or a loved one, call the Becker Law Office. Your first visit is free, and you pay us absolutely nothing unless we win your case. The Becker Law Office. We protect the rights of injured people.
The world premiere movie is brought to you by Toyota. Toyota, I love what you do for me. And by Fruit of the Loom.
I have 175,828 miles on my Toyota truck, and we still use it for camping, skiing. 118,108 miles. Oh, Blue just goes and goes and goes, and we're always on call.
Call us if you and your Toyota truck have a 100,000-mile story.
Story? 6,059 miles. 335,809 miles. Top that.
I love you do for me, Toyota.
Adam, I have to tell you, that fig leaf does nothing for you.
It's comfortable? Okay, what should I wear?
A totally different kind of brief. These ribbed whites from Fruit of the Loom.
Ribs for Adam. That's cute, Eve.
More than cute. The ribbed cotton fabric, it moves with you. It's more comfortable. It's
nice.
And the cut's trimmer.
It hugs my body better.
Most tempting thing since the apple.
Somebody say apple.
We feed America
with our ribbed whites.
We're Fruit of the Loom.
I come home from work, the phone's ringing, I think it's him, but it's them. You know, those people who call you up saying, switch from AT&T, we've got better quality. You know, like trying to pin them down to something, get some real numbers going. Like, how big is big? You won't believe the savings.
Don't take their word for it. Have them put it in writing.
Well, I say, look, just put it in writing. Dead silence. I mean, it just goes to show you, it's still not AT&T.
It's easier than ever to pour on the softness with my new bottle. It's no miss spout and no mess cap, make it a whole lot neater. Come on, pour on the softness with no miss, no mess. Try my new bottle today.
You can find anything.
That's my ad.
Do you tell them that you're a writer? No, he doesn't.
Even murder in the personals.
He was cheating on you!
Stephanie Zimbalist, Jennifer O'Neill, Personals. A USA world premiere movie. Next Wednesday at 9, 8 Central.
When I was a cop, I could only go so far to get justice. I'm still after justice. But now, I play by a different set of rules.
Counter-Strike on USA, Sunday at 10, 9 Central.
We're going to have us a wing game.
Head for the hills. It's the return of the Beverly Hillbillies on USA. Tomorrow at 9, 8 Central.
We now return to I'm Dangerous Tonight, a USA world premiere movie. I'm Dangerous Tonight, starring Mädchen Amick, will continue.
My father is not going to let me get my ears pierced.
Sunlight has real lemon juice.
Jimmy?
It cleans the toughest dishes easily. So easily, you almost don't have to be there. Sunlight with real lemon juice. We make light work of dishes.
This man is a dentist, which raises the question, what brand of toothbrush do dentists use? Oral-B. Oral-B, the toothbrush more dentists use.
You don't have to worry when rain keeps pouring down, 'cause your home can take it whenever comes around.
Introducing Olympic Water Guard for Wood, the one water sealant that goes beyond water repellency to resist sun damage, fight mildew, and strengthen wood.
It's no wonder we'll stop the rain.
Olympic stops the rain.
Coming soon on the USA world premiere movie. Locations in Tennessee and Mississippi heighten a powerful story of a boy's murder and a father's revenge. I came to bury you. Gerald McRaney stars in Blind Vengeance, coming August 22nd. And in September, a quake hits the San Francisco area, and ordinary people become extraordinary heroes.
I am not going to leave you. I am not leaving here without you.
Lou McClanahan and Scott Valentine had an all-star cast in a remarkable true story of crisis and courage after the shock. Also in September,
I have evidence that Hitler had a daughter.
the television reporter, the congresswoman, the vice president's wife. Which one of these three powerful women is Hitler's daughter? Watch for original movies every week on the USA world premiere movie.
Looking for a sofa but can't find one that suits your home? Let Schmidt Furniture and King Hickory make one for you.
You can order a custom-made sofa and choose from 78 designer fabrics at savings up to 35% off. For example, your choice of these 4 popular styles for only $578. King Hickory, 8-way hand-tied quality, 78 fabrics, and Schmidt's lower prices.
Near the affordable furniture store, Schmidt Furniture.
On the furniture corner of State and Main in New Albany.
At Lube Care, we treat your car like the good old days, quick but great service. And now you can save $4 during Lube Care Center's anniversary special through September 8th. Lube Care specialists use only quality brands of oil such as Valvoline, Pennzoil, and Quaker State. Fleet service available. So drive in today and take advantage of our 16-point full service special for only $15.95. Lube Care Center is located at 9601 Taylorsville Road in the J-Town Shopping Center. Or call 267-6069.
Dangerous Tonight, starring Anthony Perkins and Mädchen Amick, will continue. I'm Dangerous Tonight, starring Anthony Perkins, will continue.
Years ago when I was a waiter, I had awful backaches. My doctor recommended the pain reliever and prescription Motrin. Today he recommends Motrin IB for pain.
Motrin IB. No prescription needed.
Now it's my place and my splitting headaches. And Motrin IB has the strength I need.
One Motrin IB is as effective as 2 regular aspirin.
My headaches just stop. And it's much gentler on my stomach.
Motrin IB, doctor-recommended pain relief.
It has armor. He has armor. It is cunning. He is more cunning. You've met the disease, roaches. Now meet the cure. The Orkin Man, armed with one of the most sophisticated pest control systems in the world. He zeroes in on roaches and other pests, destroys them, and prevents their return. Guaranteed. The Orkin Man. One call destroys them all.
When we designed the package for new Citrus Hill Fresh Choice, we knew it couldn't be an ordinary container. Everything from a cap that screws tight to an airtight inner seal is there to lock in freshness. What's the point of our people racing to get oranges picked and squeezed within a day if the carton doesn't keep the juice fresh? I'm not just talking as a designer now, but as a mother. When I open that carton up, I want that freshness in there.
New Citrus Hill Fresh Choice. Squeeze the day we pick it. Fresher the day you pour it.
If you're a small car lover scared off by the size of Mercury automobiles, Check out the all-new small Mercury, Tracer. Check out its small $89.69 sticker price. Then very carefully walk right up to one and take a test drive. Tracer. It's nothing to be afraid of. All this and the quality of a Mercury.
I like quality. I like my guarantee. I like my MCI. I like the cover on time. I like my bottom line. That's why I like my MCI. I like saving advice. That's one reason why MCI's my choice. And when you feel I'm near, your smile so clear, I can hear it in your voice. I like the quality. I like my guarantee. I like my MCI. I like my MCI.
Call MCI now. Get 1 month free. 1-800-876-4422.
We now return to I'm Dangerous Tonight, a USA world premiere movie.